Hey everyone. I wanted to share with you a project that I've been working on for a while. It took me way longer than I thought it would. But it's basically an attempt at playing with ChatGPT and understanding it better as a tool, and also understanding how I feel about it in as far as ethical concerns go. So yeah, I'm started playing with this. I used ChatGPT not only for the output but also for the input. So the programming was done basically through ChatGPT. It's not as easy as it sounds. It started off feeling like you could just tell it, but as a program gets complicated, it becomes really difficult for you to be able to tell it what you need and it to understand and give you what you want back. So I feel like an experienced programmer would not benefit as much from it as I did. I think it sped up the process, but I think it was not a fast process. Let me leave it at that. But anyways, this is what it is. I have a bunch of characters that are created here. Each one is assigned a number. So, for example, number 2 is Shy Guy. The voice is one of several that are available through ChatGPT, and all of this is information about its personality. What ends up happening is that you're speaking on the phone, and it answers, it greets you, it asks you your name, it remembers your name, but it speaks in that personality. And when you talk back to it, your voice is recorded, it's sent to Google. Google translates it into text. It does text to speech or speech to text. And then it takes that speech and sends it back to you. You send it to ChatGPT. It reads it, answers in that personality, and then uses one of its voices to create a audio version of the reply. So that becomes a text to speech, and then it sends that text to speech back to you in the form of a sound file that gets played back through the speaker of this. So this is just an old, I think it's like a 1950s phone that I bought on eBay, and I gutted, kept the mechanism, but all the electronics, the speaker, the microphone, everything, the cord, everything got replaced. The book is just a spacer because I needed more room for all of this stuff. There's still a little messy, but there's a Raspberry Pi 5 with a sound card, a microphone card, and this thing over here is a battery pack that will run it so that I don't have to plug into the wall. It could sit on a bar table and just be a fun toy to play with. So in the back I added a volume control. I added a button here that I don't need yet, but I probably find a use for it. And this turns it into a speakerphone so people can listen in on the conversation. So let's go ahead and try it. Let's try to we'll call up Shy Guy number 2. So you can see it detected number 2. It's calling him. But while it's calling, it's already generating a response because it already knows who's going to answer the phone.
Hi. I didn't really expect anyone to call. I'm sorry if I sound kind of awkward. Could you please tell me your name? That would really help me not be so nervous.
My name is David.
Oh, hi, David. That's our really nice name. Did you know that the longest recorded flight of a chicken is 13 seconds? Sorry, that was a bit random. I just thought you might find it interesting.
Oh my
I hope
God.
that's okay.
Okay, enough of that. So yeah, I have a Shy Guy, I have Poet Guy, a philosopher, I have a Catholic confession hotline that you can talk to a priest on, and they all have the different personalities. There's a comedian, there's sexy girls, and sexy guys, whoever you want to talk to. There's somebody assigned to one of these numbers. And then I added this fun one at the end. Number 9 is a special one. It's basically like a speed dating hotline which is kind of interesting. Listen to this, and there's all these other crazier personalities for it.
Welcome to the Flirtline speed dating service. Are you in the mood to chat with a man, or would you prefer chatting with a woman tonight?
I think I'll chat with a woman, please.
Excellent. Please hold while I connect you. Hey there, darling. It's Lola here, just mixing up a little magic and thinking about who might light up my day. So why don't you tell me, what's your go-to move for turning a quiet night into an unforgettable adventure? And of course, I'd love to know your name.
Yeah, my name is David.
Well, David, it's a pleasure to meet someone with such a classic and strong name. I'm Lola, and I'm quite the connoisseur of interesting company. So tell me, what brings a charming soul like you to my little corner of the world tonight?
So there it is. That's pretty much the whole project. It's pretty fun. I'm sure I'll be writing a few things about how I feel about AI now that I've spent a few months playing with it. But this one was already 7 minutes long, so I think I'm going to end it right now. But just wanted to share the entire project with you guys. Talk to you later. Bye.